She's serving me Vogue. She's serving me Fashion Week. She's serving me avant-garde. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is andthatisTrice, and I am, of course, Trice. If this is your first time checking me out, seeing what we got going on over here, thank you so much for stopping in, baby. It does not go unnoticed or unappreciated. And if you are a returning member, a returning subscriber to the Trice Tribe, thank you so much for stopping back by. We love you as well. I just felt the need to create, to do something just real extra and real bold. And that's how we got here. That's how we came to this look. So, very tedious, very time consuming, but also very, very easy. It's not very difficult to do, but you look really luxurious. You look bougie. She's serving me Vogue. She's serving me Fashion Week. She's serving me avant-garde. I'll have all the products listed down below per usual so you can see everything that I used, even if I speed past it in the video or you don't see me use it. It's always down there. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at andthatisTrice, same as my channel. And baby, if you're not a member of the Trice Tribe, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ask somebody, ask your neighbor. We have fun, we get beat, we have talks. We do all of that, so you don't want to miss it. You might as well hit the little red button. It's free, and you will be happy to see me. Okay? Okay. Also, be sure to give this video a big, huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. It does help your girl out a lot. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm not going to ramble on too long. I want you guys to be able to get into this look. This is just what I did, but feel free, of course, like I always say, to make it your own, give it your own taste, your own flavor. Be individual about it. You don't have to do exactly what I do. This is just a guideline. So if you want to see how to get this, who gonna pay my rent, I look bougie, I look bad, on a budget type of look, then just keep on watching, girl. Okay, so you want to take your foundation. I am using the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay today, so you just want to put that all over your eyelids. Now you can of course do a color, do something in your crease if you would like, but I wanted this to mainly be about the rhinestones, so I am just focusing on my lids and making them the same color as the rest of my face. And this will be the foundation I use on my face, but be careful when doing this. I did get foundation in my eye like a goofy, so I had to go back in and fix that. So you want to go in with a powder that is your skin tone, and I just went in with my black Opal in 400 medium to set my eyelids so nothing moves around and really just create that smooth blank canvas. So now I'm taking these adhesive gemstones. Got these from Walmart. They were like 97 cents a pack. You see how many were in there. And I'm going to be sticking those with the Duo eyelash glue and tweezers to help them in place. So I'm just taking the glue, putting it on the back of the rhinestones, and I am using my finger to put it in place. Now it does get messy. Of course these clips are sped up, but it is very time consuming to put them in the right spots. You can be as creative as you want, and you can splatter them all over your eyelids. This is one of those looks where it does not have to be aligned to be pretty. It does not have to be perfect to be cute. So do what you would like. I just had an idea in my head and I went with it. But I was also kind of just putting them down as I saw fit based on what I thought I wanted to do. So mainly on the outer corners, and then the inner corners I did a mix of the big ones, the medium, and the small. You can do all small, you can do all big. The possibilities are endless, child. The limit does not exist. So again, just take that, put it down with your fingers, and you see I had to move mine around. And the tweezers are really to kind of help them stick. Then I take that brush and just any excess glue, I pat it off and then pat that on a towel. And voila, it looks like a fresh canvas all over again. So the good thing is the glue does dry clear. I use the clear Duo adhesive. I know they make a dark. This is not the time to use the dark, okay? It will look a mess, especially with these clear rhinestones. So use the clear, you should be fine. If you make a mistake, it does not hurt when you take them off, because I don't know, the Duo glue does a good job of keeping them on, but it doesn't keep them on to the point where they're going to rip off your eyelid skin. So that's a plus. So again, just position, place where you see fit. You can make the eyes congruent or you can make them completely different. That's the beauty about art. It can be whatever you want it to be, okay? So then I'm going to go in with my Miss Lashes from the Beauty Supply. Y'all know these are pretty much the only ones I wear. I just keep getting different styles and switching it up. I'll have the exact style listed down below because I do not remember at the moment. But I'm not doing any liner. I'm just going straight in with my lashes and using that same Duo clear adhesive. So if it looks a little messy from the jump, I never wait for my lashes to fully dry. Ooh, I know, drag me. But it helps me to maneuver them better when it's still a little bit wet. That way if I don't like it or I want to snatch it off, I didn't ruin too much. So feel free to do what works for you, again, as usual. But these are the lashes I used. I didn't want to take away from the look. So I had some bolder ones I was thinking about, but nah, these were better for what I was doing. And this is more wispy, so you can use a lot of different lashes for this look because it is kind of just clear and neutral. But those are the ones I used. So now I'm going into this new bronzer palette that I have by Tammy, and it is by Makeup Revolution. It's the Tropical Twilight collection, I think. So I got the eyeshadow palette and the bronzer palette, so I'm just going in with a mix of those browns and warming up the perimeter of my face because we were looking matte and we were looking flat. And then I am just contouring my nose. Obviously, I did my face off camera because this was more about the eyes than it was the face, and my face routine really hasn't changed too much. So then I am just buffing that contour in a little bit better. I didn't like the way I laid it down. It wasn't the product, it was me. I'm the culprit. But then I'm just going underneath with this banana powder from Makeup Revolution and a mix of my black opal powder just to define the area and clean it up a little bit more. And to be honest with y'all, my wig this day, it was okay. I get it together by the end. But child, it was just one of them, the front didn't want to fully cooperate. So don't clock me. I've already clocked myself. But it's fine, you know. It happens. We just make it look the best way we can. So then I just went into that orangey shade in the palette and used that as blush. Totally beautiful, so pigmented. And then I'm just blending my lashes with the false ones with this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. So then I'm just going in my waterline with this Ebin pencil. Used it a bunch of times. Just a nude pencil to brighten up the area. And then I'm defining my lower lashes with that same mascara. I also swept a little bronzer under there for a little bit more color. I don't know where that clip went, but I put it under there. So then I'm dusting away all the excess powder, making sure everything molds together with this big old fluffy brush. Then I'm just drawing on my FOMOs with my Jordana Easyliner pencil. And I'm putting them in different spots. I just thought it'd be cute for the look. So one on my cheek, one on my nose. And then I'm going into that highlighter. Girl, I think that's called Paradise Glow. The camera don't do it justice. It was doing a lot. Okay? And I liked it, but I wasn't expecting all of that. So I put that in the normal areas. My nose, my cupid's bow, my cheeks, and then I just took the fluffy brush to helped diffuse it down so it wasn't so powerful. Then I'm just placing another rhinestone underneath my eyes. So I felt like that kind of tied it all together. It was missing something. And then I'm just setting my face with I think this is the Maybelline. Child, I don't know. It'll be down below. I'm drawing a blank. So then I'm just spraying and filling in, patting down my face with a sponge. And then I'm just taking a fresh, clear e.l.f. lip gloss. We love it. It has not been tainted by brown lip liner. And I just put that all over my lips, and that is it.